Hello friends, I'm Reena. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. Today I'm presenting to you White Light Protections Meditation. This meditation is for self-healing and protection. So for this, first remove your specs if you're wearing. Sit comfortably on a chair or on a couch. Place your feet firmly on the ground, palms on your thighs, and now close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. Very nice. One more time. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. One last time. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now, visualize a ray of white light coming from the universe and entering through the ceiling of your room and falling on your head. And through your head, it enters your pituitary gland, and through your pituitary gland, it enters your nervous system. And with the help of your nervous system, it gets distributed and reaches to each and every cell, every tissue, every nerve ending of your body. Also visualize that through this white light, the Creator is sending all the good hormones such as dopamine, endorphins, and oxytocin for peace and happiness. The white light will go around to each and every organ, every body part where healing is required. The white light will first scan each and every cell of the body for any kind of sickness, disease, or negativity. It will repair the cells for any emotional, spiritual, or physical ailments. Now I want you to visualize white light starts descending down from your head to your eyes, further going down to your nose, then to your cheeks, to your face, further going down to your neck, going further down to your shoulders, then to your chest, then to your lungs, clearing all the pollutants from your lungs to help you breathe better. And now opening, unclogging all the veins and arteries of your heart for proper blood circulation. White light is further going down to your liver, helping it to pump clean blood, going further down to your kidneys, to your stomach, to your digestive system, helping in easy digestion and absorption of all the nutrients from the food you ate, filling up the intestine, strengthening the digestive system, kidneys helping in filtering all the waste material out from the body, going further down to your reproductive system, to your lower back, further going down to your hips, your thighs, your knees, calf muscles, ankles, finally to your feet and toes. Now from head to toe, the whole body is filled with this white light. Give some time to this white light to scan and rescan your body from head to toe, toe to head. The white light is scanning the body for any kind of sickness, disease, or any kind of negativity that is affecting the body. Now the whole body is filled with this white light, and the white light is removing all the negativity from the body, collecting it and making a bundle and sending this bundle of negativity to the universe to take care of it. The universe will help convert this bundle of negativity into more positivity and send it back to us. Now more white light is coming and filling up those empty spaces from where negativity has been removed with more white light. Now there's so much white light inside the body that it is oozing out through the sweat glands and covering the entire body from outside. Now this white light is slowly spreading across your body, forming a circle all around it. Visualize or imagine it is like a globe or a balloon of white light around your body. Your whole body is covered with this white light. This is the first layer of protection around your body. Now visualize this globe or balloon of white light is placed inside a pyramid of white light. A pyramid of your choice, and which is again filled with white light. This is the second layer of protection around you. Visualize that this pyramid has only one opening. It is the apex on the top. Only positivity can enter through the apex of this pyramid, and the negative energy can go out. Visualize this pyramid placed in this room in which you are sitting. This room is again filled with white light. This is your third layer of protection. Enjoy this protection of white light for the next 24 hours. You are very safe, very secure in this protection of white light. Now make a cup with your hands and place on your thymus gland, and place the left hand on top of that. Now take the energy from the universe and give it to your thymus gland. Now take 7 deep breaths. Again, breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more time. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now fold your hands in Namaste position and bring them close to your heart and pray to the Masters for bringing food to your plate in such a huge quantity that you could not finish everything. Thank the Creator for giving you a beautiful home full of love, peace, and positive energy. And forgive all those who may have hurt you, and seek forgiveness from those whom you may have hurt knowingly or unknowingly till this moment. And now, when you feel like, slowly open your eyes and come back to my voice. One, 2, 3. Slowly open your eyes and come back to my voice. Thank you. Hope you have liked this meditation. Please do this every day. You will find a definite change in your life, in yourself. And if you like it, please share it with your friends and family. They will also benefit a lot from this meditation. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment. I would like to see your experiences of this meditation. Thank you.